Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that green line down there. Sure, it still pertains, but it's not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. Just want to try to keep this as clean and straightforward as possible. So the one thing that was kind of a buzzkill, and I don't mean that in the sense of the entire chart's ruined, but price broke up above this level of resistance that I talked about yesterday, denoted by the red line. And then it was doing a great job of staying up above it, staying up above it, staying up above it. And then the final 30 minutes happened. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see right here in this candle here during the final 30 minutes, the price not only broke above that point, but then ultimately decided to close down below the resistance level there at 71 cents. So therefore, instead of, coming here and doing the analysis and saying that this level of resistance has been broken, which is always a good thing from a bullish perspective when resistances are being broken, I have to come and say, well, the bulls tried, but they couldn't get a true break. A true break having two parts. The first part is the obvious one. Yeah, price has got to break above a certain price level. The second part being, can the price maintain above it? And that's what I mean. So, all afternoon it was doing such a great job of maintaining up above it. And then it didn't maintain and it fell back below it. So 71 cents back to acting as resistance and needs to be considered a level of resistance. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the price can't get back up above it or anything. I'm just saying it was kind of disappointing to see that all afternoon the price was doing a great job and then the price ultimately did close below it. In the event the price can get back up above there, next level of resistance seems to be right up there around the 75-cent mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, really going to approach this in a simplified manner. And that has to do with the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move like that. And really from a support standpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, then from the grand scheme of things, the bulls are in full control, full health. So that's really the easiest way to look at all this in regards to where support's at, what's the strength of the current trend. As long as the price is above the purple line, the trend is firing on all cylinders. So, yeah, a little bit of a buzzkill this afternoon, but, the bulls can recover, so we'll see what they have up their sleeves for tomorrow and the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.